Well, good morning. It's time for a country song. And the one I chose today was one I heard by Ian Tyson a number of times and sang it a number of times. Ian Tyson, of course, just passed away about 2 or 3 days ago, and he's going to be sorely missed. He was a great folk singer and turned country singer and produced some really great stuff. He had his own TV show with his wife Sylvia, the Sylvia and Ian Tyson Show. Really great show. Became very famous in Canada and parts of the United States. And he's going to be sorely missed. And the song I'm going to do for you today, and it's a tribute to Ian, is called Four Strong Winds. One of my favorites, and I hope you like it too. Four strong winds that blow only, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times before. Four strong winds that blow on, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. And if I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the stairs. But by then it would be winter, ain't too much for you to do. And those winds sure do blow cold way down there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things, they don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things, they don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Back this way. Back this way. Back this way.